Let's now try GoalSeek. Circular references are very powerful, but most people don't understand them, so Excel developed a different method of solving. This still requires entering numbers in one at a time until it reaches the optimal solution. It's called GoalSeek. We want to find the indifference point when the interest rate or cost of capital up here. At what point do these two projects become equal? Here we have the outflow, all the inflows, and the net present value of 240.36 if it's 10%, or 226.03 if it's project number 2. So we'd choose project 1. So when is the difference between these equal to 0? Let's go to Data, What If Analysis, GoalSeek. Now we call this cell that we're going to look at the set cell, E3, and we want the value to be 0 by changing our cost of capital here in B1. We run that, and it ran several numbers and kept putting new numbers in here until they were equal. Apparently at 12.26% cost of capital, project 1 and 2 are the same. So anything below that would probably choose project 1. Cost of capital greater than that would choose project 2. You could enter the set values and changing cell down here to remember them if you want. Let's go to the next one. Sometimes the BYU bookstore has a progressive book sale. This means that books are 10% off the first day, 20% off on Tuesday, 30% on Wednesday, and so forth, until on Friday they're 50% off. You'd like to buy particular books, but you only have $40. Because they may get sold out, you would like to buy them as soon as you can afford them. So here we have the cost of those 5 books, the discount rate up here, the total price minus the discount of what I have, and then we add sales tax and final price. You can't get rid of that sales tax, unfortunately. Go ahead and try to figure out what day you should buy the books. Did you say day 4? Let's work it together. Okay, the set is the final price. We want it to be $40 by changing the discount rate. And it looks like would be 39.23, but because these are whole values, 10, 20, 30, 40, it would be 40, which is the 4th day. Now this one was easy. We could have probably just put those values in ourselves one at a time, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50% until we find the results. But we found it very fast using GoalSeek as well. Moving to the next one. In order for Anna to have a good shot at being admitted to the accounting program, she has to maintain a 3.5 cumulative GPA. What GPA will she need in her last semester, fall 2008, in order to keep her cum at 3.5? Go ahead and solve that using GoalSeek. Did you get 3.38? Let's try it together. The set cell is B7. I'm changing it to 3.5 by changing cell B5. And the calculation, then it got the 3.38 that she'll need in order to maintain at least a 3.5 cum. Next, Jim thinks he can afford a car payment of $500 per month. His bank has a financing plan that includes 0 down, an interest rate of 12% over 24 months. What is the highest priced car that he can afford with these terms? Go ahead and solve that. Did you get 10,622? Let's try that together. So the set cell is the payment. Why does that need to be negative 500? That's right, it's an outflow. With Excel, the outflows in financial formulas are negative, the inflows are positive, so the loan amount is positive. By changing this loan amount. And it looks like he can afford a loan of $10,622.